Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech.
Hey guys! So today in this video we're going to be talking about how to use string indexing. So this is going to be a two-part series actually. In this part I'm going to be showing you about string indexing, and then in the next video I'm going to show you guys how to do list indexing. They're similar, but there are still some differences, and that's why I'm splitting it into two parts. Now, let's begin. So let's do something and create a sentence. Sentence equals just a string. How are you today? Okay, so that is our sentence. And then we can just print the sentence. Run. And it prints, how are you today? Now, so how do we use string indexing? And what is string indexing? So string indexing is basically a way for us to split up the text in certain different ways, so we can just print certain amounts, and just how we print and stuff like that changes with string indexing. So to start string indexing, we have to put these brackets, and then we have to put a double comma. 1, 2. And this is the format for string indexing. And remember, the format is this number, you put it, and for string indexing, it's not, you put down numbers, and this is the starting number, ending number, and skipping number, like how much you count by number. So right now, if we run it again, it's still gonna be fine because we haven't specified anything. And when you don't specify it, it just takes as normal. But what if we put like 0? Or actually, we can leave that, and we put 5 here. And we run this, and you see it prints how 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it doesn't count the fifth one, like Python doesn't count the fifth one, it starts with 0. So you see here, we are able to count from 0 to 5. Say we want 5 to 15. It is re-utod. And you see here, we are able to index, and we are able to get a certain amount. But then what's this last part? So this is like skipping, like times tables. So if we put 2 here, and let me just put this as blank. If we run this, if I could right click, or I'll just click this, you can see here, it's been I'm not sure what that is. But you see here, we are able to count by 2. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like that. So you see here, this is how we're able to skip count and all. Now, so let's just quickly revise what we've learned. So this is start, we can put 5. This is end, and this is skip. If we run all this together, rule, because skip it's from 5 to 10, so R, and then skipping by 2, so it's rule. So you see here, and let me just show you something that I find pretty cool. If we put -1 here, you see here, it prints backwards. How are you today? And it prints backwards because if this is 0, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, so on. So it's going to count backwards until the end. Now, so this is string indexing. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and consider leaving a like as well. I'm Zeus Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!